Let's take a look at our second category for the evening, change agents. We honor you and recognize your contribution to India's startup ecosystem. Your story has not just inspired millions of Indians, it has also given so many of us hope. Our first change agent is Anshu Gupta, founder Goonj. Goonj founded in 1998 with a mission to clothing a matter a concern, and Anshu has created a parallel economy which is not just cash-based but trash-based.
Congratulations and thank you very much for joining us. Anshu's been on Young Tech several times, and I remember the first time when we did a long feature on you was when you were being awarded by the Schwab Foundation, Anshu, and you've come such a long way, and Goonj has come such a long way since then. What keeps you inspired?
So I think our story is the issue of non-issues, So there are issues which are recognized, there are non-issues. So when we talk about clothing, when we talk about sanitary pad, when we talk about eye checkup for the municipality schools and all, these are non-issues. But the fact remains that half the country still goes through that. We might create a lot of beautiful airports in Mumbai, but for half the country the struggle is still roti kapda makan. So I think what goes on and why we go on is just because we are working on those very, very basic issues. And it is basically the participation of people, where we are not talking about donor beneficiary in the development world, but we are talking about stakeholders. That you do it yourself and we are there to support. It's a very simple mantra, which is there for the last 17 years, and I think it will go on. Every day you find some other non-issue which is troubling people, and there is a lot to do in this small life.
I hate to call it social entrepreneurship, but I'll ask you that for people who are looking at being social entrepreneurs, Anshu, what would your advice be?
So, I think this is the best way to do something because you move out of charity, because we feel that charity cannot solve the problem. Charity is something which is instant. You can do that, and you mix up the business part of it. So you bring efficiency in the entire game, and you have a social heart. And that's what I'm saying, that you move out of donor beneficiary and you say stakeholder. So I am a stakeholder, you are a stakeholder. Let's all of us do it together. मैं हमेशा, I call it हवन. मैं कहता हूँ ये हवन की तरह है, जिसके पास जो है वो आहुति में डाल दो. So if you have a skill, you put a skill. If you have time, you put time. If you have money, you put money. If you have kida, people like me, I put kida, and I make sure that the kida is nurtured. So this is like havan, where all of us need to put together our efforts and whatever charm about the nation, because सच बात ये है कि कोई बाहर से तो आएगा नहीं इसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. और मैं नहीं चाहता कि मैं जब बाहर जाऊं तो लोग आज के टाइम में मुझे इंडियन की तरह देखें और मुझसे पहले जो बात करें वो रेप के बारे में करें. All of us have faced this in the last few years. So the time has come that we take an action. I think, as I always say, that this country does not need thinkers anymore. This country needs doers. This country needs action. So social entrepreneurship or any entrepreneurship, I think there is no time to debate on either or. It is about end. हमको जो अच्छा लगता है, जैसा अच्छा लगता है, हमको कर लेना चाहिए. देश बहुत बड़ा है, issues बहुत सारे हैं, लोग बहुत सारे चाहिए. शुक्रिया.
Thank you very much, Anshu. Thank you very much for joining us here this evening.